Chef Coleman has done it again. Voila! Hello and welcome everybody to the start of another vlog. Now today is going to be another food vlog. However, this time it's going to be a little bit different. We aren't actually going to be using any kind of food company as such. This is going to be made completely from scratch by myself, and this was actually a recipe that I once made, just combining a load of ingredients together, and I'll tell you what, it was one of the best meals I've ever made. So today we're going to be doing just that, and the meal that we're going to make is creamy Cajun chicken with roasted fried vegetables and pasta. So without further ado guys, let's crack on with this foodie vlog. So the ingredients for today's recipe are as follows: chopped garlic, cumin spice, parsley, thyme, paprika spice, sea salt, chicken stock, double cream, chicken breasts, mushrooms, pepper, onion, bit of oil, and pasta. Now the first step is to make the actual cumin spice. So combine in a food bag the cumin, the parsley, the thyme, and a little bit of paprika, as well as some sea salt. Using a chopping board and a sharp knife, dice up your chicken breasts. Take the diced chicken, put it into the spicy bag and shake things up a little bit, ensuring that all the pieces of chicken have been coated in the same amount of spice. Once this has been done, set the chicken aside in a bowl to let the spice marinate the chicken. Using a clean chopping board and knife, chop up the mushrooms, onions and pepper. Heat up a frying pan with a small amount of oil and a single clove of garlic. Once the pan is hot enough, add the chicken. Next, boil enough water for a medium amount of pasta. Add the boiling water and a large amount of pasta to a pan and bring to the boil. At this point, the chicken should be thoroughly cooked, so add the vegetables to the frying pan and continue to fry. Remember to continually mix the vegetables around so they don't stick to the pan. This is also the same for the pasta. Keep mixing the pasta so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. If the vegetables are looking a little bit dry, feel free to add more cumin spice. Once the vegetables have fried and softened in texture, remove them from the heat. When the pasta reaches the right texture, remove from the heat and drain in a colander. Now this is another personal preference, but I always find that running the pasta under cold water stops it from sticking together. Add the pasta to the vegetables and chicken just to save on space. Now the final step is to make the sauce. So in a small frying pan, the same frying pan that was used for the pasta, mix a small amount of boiling water in the chicken stock and bring to the boil. Next, add the double cream and give it a good stir. Once the sauce has been thoroughly mixed, add the pasta, the fried vegetables and the chicken. Mix this all together thoroughly and begin to plate up the food.
Chef Coleman has done it again. Voila! Cajun, paprika,
Chicken, onion,
garlic,
parsley, thyme, double cream, pepper,
mushrooms, pasta, water, oil.
has made this delicious meal.
Look, you've not tried it yet.
Dig in.
Come on, do from one side because I'm going to scoop it with my right hand.
Before.
Oh, cheese on me phone.
And there we have it, guys. That has been my creamy Cajun chicken with roasted fried vegetables and pasta. I keep forgetting the pasta part. Yeah, it was probably one of the best dishes I've made. It was that good. I actually made a little bit more, so Kaylee can take it to work today. So that is really, 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 really good. Do try any of my recipes, guys, at home. It's kind of been like Food February type thing. Obviously, Valentine's Day with its own vlog. But I've kind of enjoyed it. Big thank you as well. I'll give a shout out to Lely for kind of all your comments when it comes to kind of like vlogs and things. Big thank you to you. And thank you guys for tuning in throughout February. March, we're going to have some banging vlogs lined up. And stay tuned for those. So until next time, guys, bid you all farewell. Bye-bye.